on another beach trip and I desperately needed a new beach hat. However, I was very indecisive on these three, but I finally decided on the last one. On to the next store. I was on the lookout for some flats and wedges. I only found a few cute ones, but sadly they weren't in my size. I also came across the prettiest beaded bags I have ever seen. I really like this basket. I think I'm gonna get her. Today is Friday and I will be spending the entire weekend at the beach again. It's like my second mini vacation and I do have quite a few things I want to get done before I leave. As you can see, I bought some pillows yesterday and I do have quite a bit of laundry, so we're gonna wash all of that first. This gigantic basket to fit all of the PR that I receive. So let's organize that together. Okay, so this is all of the PR that I've accumulated over the past few weeks. I'm thinking about doing a giveaway, but I'm not completely sure yet. If that's something you're interested in, please let me know because this is way too many products just for me. With a little letter. Look at how cutesy these look. Hello, love. These ones have white tips with some rhinestones. I think they're so cute and simple. I think I might love these even more. The tips are like this baby pink color and it has cute little flowers on it. This one might be the one that I wear for my vacation. I think this one's a mix of the first two with the white tips and the flower. There's a lot happening here. Way earlier than I expected, so I spent some time walking around and visiting all the cute little souvenir shops. It was actually so relaxing, even though it felt like 100 degrees outside. It was finally lunchtime and we were craving some fish and chips and it was amazing. After that breathtaking view, I went to get some ice cream, and of course I had to get my fave, birthday cake. cute this looks. I have one in full pink. When I saw this one with this cute little pink ombre, I just needed to have it. It's so adorable. It even came with a little stand. I recently got some new matcha, so I'm super excited to start using her. It came with this whisk. However, I did get this one, and I think I just like the way this one looks more, so I think I'm gonna use this one instead. So cute. Now we're just gonna have matcha every morning. After a bit of mess, the matcha is already done. I have this cutesy little matcha station right here. I am definitely in need of a makeup clean out. Oh, she is messy. For some reason, I like doing my makeup in this super long hallway. I just ran. Wanting a sweater like this for the longest, and I think it's so cute. It's perfect for 4th of July. She's coming home with me. Okay, this one is more of like a lounging tank. So these ones are coming home with me, and I'm leaving those. I ended up breaking my nail in the process. After my little shopping spree, I ended the day at the movie theaters. I did receive a few PR packages in the mail, so we're gonna open those together. So the first package is from Youth to the People. I have received a few of their products before, and I absolutely love them. So I'm super excited to know what this could be. These boxes are always so confusing. Okay, here it is. New goodies. Oh, I always struggle with this. Okay. Oh, I really love this moisturizer. I have another one in my skincare collection, so now I have two. See, this is my favorite for acne scars. I love it. And a cleanser. And that is pretty much everything. Now this one I am super excited for. It doesn't really have a label at all, and I personally like the mystery aspect of it. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to be so careful because I don't want to break another nail again. Just slides out. Look at how beautiful she looks. I have to smell it. Oh, it's definitely a sweet scent, but it's like a mature sweet scent, almost like a sweet alcoholic drink. I'm pretty sure this one is the same. Oh, never mind. Wow, this is their scented hand and body wash. She is also gorgeous. I need to know what this smells like. Ooh. It has like such a sweet and fresh scent. These are now my babies. recently got this beauty in the mail, so let's open her. Is a giant powder puff. Is this not the cutest thing? I believe these are cushion foundations. They're so cute. I love this. It's a keychain. It's also a cushion foundation. I'm obsessed with this. As you know, I do love to collect beautiful PR boxes. I definitely need to display this gorgeous packaging somewhere around my room. My jaw is still very sore from yesterday's appointment, so I think I'm gonna stick to liquids for today. I will be making us some matcha. Let's go. Delicious.